Welcome to Pretty Crafty. Today we're going to be making this awesome origami jumping frog. You will need paper, scissors, and a ruler. Take a piece of paper and cut it into a square. Fold the square in half, corner to corner. Unfold it and fold it in half again the other way. Now lay it out and fold it in half, forming a rectangle. Lay it flat and then fold the sides in along the center line, forming a triangle. Fold the top layers of the triangle up towards the center. Flip it over and fold these edges down over the bottom. Fold these new flaps in half and do the same to the top flaps. Using a ruler, put 2 bends in your frog to help it jump. And decorate it with a marker. And just like that, you are done! Well done on making your own origami jumping frog. Have fun making things together with your family and friends. The only limit is your imagination.